Firstly, you'll have the acrylic bases. These are the acrylic bases that you guys will be having with y'all. Okay. Now you'll have two shapes that I've given y'all. One is a rounded rectangle like this. The other is a perfect circle. Okay. Why we use these kind of rounded edges is because we use them on paper, right? It's going to be a bookmark. So when I give you all sharp edges, it's going to tear your papers. So this is one of the main important item for the bookmark. Secondly, you guys would have these kind of stickers. Okay, I'm sure many of you like this girl here. There's this little teddy. The minute I saw this, I thought I need to give this to Sanshari. So yeah, she has one of this. There are all of these designs that I had given you all earlier for options. So I have them all here. Okay. So I would be creating with one of these. So these two, that is the base and the sticker, is what we are going to use today. Okay. These stickers are high quality UV stickers. Okay. Which are not the ones that are available in the market. When you're like kids, you all used to have those stickers, right? Those are very different. If you all remember during your childhood days, you all would have eaten the bubble gum, right? Boomerang or whatever, the boomer wala bubble gum. Sorry, yeah. So that bubble gum has the tattoos. If you guys remember, that what we normally do, we peel off the uh, layer on top, we keep them on your hand, apply the water, and then peel off the upper paper. So this is something similar, but we are not going to use any paper here. Okay, and these are all 3D embossed kind of stickers. They are not the flat ones. They are all 3D embossed. And these are high quality stickers available in the market. Next, I've given you all tassels like this. I think all of you all would have got the leather tassels. Correct? So we will be making one which have your name. This has my son's name on it. It says Mitrav, which he created, and her tassel. So I will be teaching you all how to do this particular bookmark charm. The other style you guys will be learning is a ribbon bookmark, where I would be teaching you all how to add a ribbon to your bookmark like this. Okay, so there are two styles. I've also given you all, those who have ordered for more than 2 kits, you all would have got a bead like this as well, which does not have any alphabets. So you all can just combine the colors based on your bookmark and then, do the charm for your bookmark. So having said this, just a second, I'll just clear this up. Yeah, so these are all my bookmarks, what I've created so far. This is one. It says you are enough. This was much before the bookmarks sticker sheets came to me. I got these stickers, which were individual hearts that I had to cut and stick. So I created this completely. Okay. These are the others that I did with the help of the stickers that you guys have in hand. So these are the way I flaunt my bookmarks. Okay. So you have the various options here, the various names. This is my daughter's, that says Mridula. And what I like to do with my bookmarks is I like to coordinate them with the colors. Okay, so say here there are more of greens. So that's why I've used a green ribbon. So that's how you have to create your bookmark for more aesthetic appeal. Similarly for this. Okay, the last one, which is one of my favorite, that's a white daisy flower on which I've used a yellow ribbon because the flower has a yellow center, right? So yeah, guys, now let's get the class started. Firstly, I want you all to pick up your acrylic base. This one. Yes. Take this. And I had asked you all to carry your scissors with you all. Okay. So with the help of your scissors, I want you all to peel off the layer on top. It's like a small paper, a brown paper like this.
Minakshi, just 1 minute. Can you try flipping your screen so that we have a bigger view to watch? Right now, it's coming in vertical. Can you try horizontal? No, flip your phone, not this. Flip your phone. Phone में zoom में there must be an option of
Phone.
flipping the camera. हाँ. So that it comes. Just try once if it
This
works.
way, then you'll see, right?
Yeah, this is coming in vertical format. I'm seeing if it can come horizontal. There must be an option. There is an auto rotate option on Zoom. See, check that. There will be a
Is
small
it okay?
button on top. There will be a small button on top to flip the orientation. Right now, we are seeing it in a mobile view. We will be able to see it then horizontal view. Try once.
Okay. Just a second.
Don't move your phone. There will be option to rotate the phone. So, when you watch YouTube, it rotates. Like how
Yeah.
you
So,
watch YouTube.
is this how you're telling me, Sanchari? Is this
No, no, no,
correct?
no. Nothing to do with
No.
the phone. On top of your phone, there will be a orientation change. Like when we do YouTube full screen phone on we watch, it automatically flips, right?
Okay.
Is it happening for you? Check. If not, fine. This is
Uh,
fine. I just wanted to check. Maybe it's your phone thing. We would be able to see it horizontally then.
no, I'm not. I'm only able to flip it to me, like this is me.
No,
And then
this
I
is
flip it
this
back
is
to the
coming on top.
workstation.
That this option to flip and show your self view is coming on top. On the
Oh,
bottom
okay.
right, there will be another option to flip it. Like in YouTube, you see, you turn on YouTube when you go full screen, it turns automatically orientation.
Yeah,
Yes, yes,
they
yes,
either
yes.
portrait or
Now you've
landscape.
got it, Meenakshi. Now you've got it.
Yeah.
Correct.
Okay. Okay. Great.
So now we can see your full screen and a bigger screen. You can zoom in better.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now much, much, much better. Correct.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Sorry for that. Yeah. So, like what I told y'all need to peel this off. Okay. This thing goes like this. Just peel off only one side, not both the sides. I'll tell y'all why.
Mine is not coming out. What to do?
Yeah. So this is the peeled product. Sorry,
Mine is not.
Sabrina, did you ask me something?
Yeah, I'm sorry. This thing is not peeling
No, you
out.
have to use your scissors. Use your scissors
Yeah.
and slowly try to peel it from one end. You can be a little harsh with it, no harm. Okay, I'll just do another one and I'll show you. See, take it, peel it from one end. Try to, poke a little and peel. No issues. You're not going to harm the base. Can you see that? And then you can just peel it off.
Any side, Meenakshi, either the one with
Yeah,
green,
yeah.
either the plain.
Yeah, any side, because your end product is going to be transparent like this, right? So any side is fine, guys. Yeah, once all of you have done, just give me a thumbs up or just tell me yes, you all are done and we can go to the next step.
Yes. Thank you, Meenakshi. I'm done.
Yeah, okay, great. Can I proceed? Okay, so this is my cutter. I'm sure y'all would not have a cutter like mine, but that's okay. All I want y'all to do is take a scissors and cut at the border. Okay, I think I've already given you all strips, but try to cut it as close as possible to the sticker. Okay, not too in, not very out as well. Okay. See, for example, if this is what I've given y'all would have some kind of a white line here, okay, which is not what is needed. So for y'all to be more accurate with the sticking on the bookmark, I require y'all to cut it like this, as close as possible to the print. Yeah, like this. Cut on all the four sides. And this is your final product. Okay, I mean, I said this is the cut piece. I hope all of y'all are there with me and are able to follow. Let me know, guys, if you all have finished so that I can proceed to the next step.
Yes, Meenakshi, done cutting.
Yeah? Okay, great. Thank you for that. Okay, now this step, y'all have to be very careful. Watch me first and then y'all guys can start doing it. This, okay, y'all have to take your base where y'all peeled off, right? That side, not the brown. Don't stick on the brown side, stick on the glass side. The one that you'll just peeled, that side should be on top. You're going to take your stickers and peel from one end. So when you'll peel, it's like this. This white is not needed. We are going to trash this. But this, the transparent sticker with the print is what is needed for our bookmark. So we're going to align the sticker to the bookmark correctly. And then we are going to go really slow. We are going to remove this sticker on one side, slowly like this, the white patch. And with my other hand, I'm going to start sticking like this. I have to make sure that I stick it straight. Okay. So I do it very slowly. Can you guys see this coming here? Okay. So this is how I transfer the sticker from this sheet to the base. So I have to do it slowly, gently, one step at a time. The slower you go, the more better your bookmark, the output would be. Because these stickers, it's very tricky, you know, because you're working on such a small surface, chances of you going outside the bookmark is more. See, now I'm done. This is how my bookmark is going to be. Can you all try this, please, for me once? The more slower you guys go, the more better the output of this would be. There are chances you might have air bubbles, air pockets in the stickers. Okay. So for that, you'll need to really rub it down with your fingers like this so that the air bubble, you know, kind of goes. But if you'll do it very slow, definitely you'll not have the air bubble.
Meenakshi, which side is the top side, the one with the hole or the below side?
The one with the hole is the top.
Okay.
Because in your book, say, if this is my book, for example, I would be using the bookmark like this, right? So the one with the hole is the top. Okay, no one uses a bookmark like this. So yeah, the design should be like this, from base to top.
This is
So
a new
I'll
thing
align the
because
base.
I use it other way. This is a new
I
way for
also
me. I
did it
use it
other
the
Oh.
below way.
Yeah, I also did
Oh,
that.
okay. Yeah, I'm so sorry, my bad. But yeah, like what Sanshari said, if you guys are used to using it the other way, then fine, you all can also do that. But most of my stickers have no right and wrong. For example, if you all have got this is how I have done it, right? Even if you all do it this side, it doesn't look so bad. Yeah, it looks like there are flowers falling, there are flowers in both directions, in all directions. So this is also correct. This is also correct. So it's, see, all this is what y'all are creating for yourself. So trust me, there's no right, there's no wrong. It is just fun creation, and that's all. Y'all just be happy once you'll have done this. Yeah. So once you guys are done, let me know. I'll tell you all the next step. Can we go ahead? Yeah. Now
Yes.
you'll have to start peeling the top. You have a, yeah, okay. On top, if you'll see, you have a transparent sheet. That has to be peeled again, like this. Yeah. This is the transparent sheet that I have peeled for you guys. So this is how you'll need to peel it.
Oh wow, this is so cool. Wow.
Yeah, great. Sabrina, I like yours. Yours has come out perfect. Yeah, Jyoti, yours is also lovely. Yeah. Sanshari, I like your flowers. How I wish those were sunflowers, huh? Nice, lovely. I really like what you got, Archana. Yeah, guys, okay, here's a small
Thank you.
thing. Archana, she is settled elsewhere. She's not from India. So she is a student who readily told that she really wants to learn from me, but she would get her own materials. So hats off to her. She went all the way and she got her own materials. She asked me for the list and she got it. So yeah.
And I got my
Ashwini,
dragons.
definitely now. ஓகே அஸ்வினி நான் உங்க பொண்ணுக்கு கண்டிப்பா நான் இதை சொல்லி கொடுக்குறேன் ஃப்ரைடே அன்னைக்கு ஓகேங்களா யா எஸ் தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார்
Okay.
அட்டெண்டிங் எனிவே எஸ் ஓகே
Thank you.
guys, so once this is done, you guys can actually feel it. It has a lovely texture. Okay, these stickers are wash proof. You can wash it. They are also scratch proof. See, can you hear the sound? Okay, they are also scratch proof. It's heat tested. Okay, but definitely if you guys are going to be like, yeah, then it's going to peel. Okay, there's a limit to the scratch. Yeah. Now, once you guys have finished this, turn over and remove this as well. I told you all not to remove this. Why? Because when I work on a wooden table like this, most of you all will be sitting on a wooden table, right? When it's transparent, for example, like this, and when you're sticking on top, y'all don't know if you're sticking correctly or if it's going away from the bookmark. Okay, so this is just a small crafter tip. So when y'all keep the wooden base, I mean, as in the base cover, it's easy for y'all to align your sticker straightly and stick it. That's why I told y'all not to remove this. Now you guys can go ahead and remove this the same way. Use your scissors.
Meenakshi, I have to thank you so much. Recently, I went to this those flea markets, and somebody was selling these bookmarks for 450 each. And I was like, no,
Okay.
dude, that is a lot. And I wanted to have such a bookmark for so long, and it is so pretty, Meenakshi. I genuinely had not expected it will come out so good. Love this. Thank you for doing this.
Thank you so much, Sanshari. Thank you for getting me this entire group. Seriously, hats off to you. I just put it up on Impact 90 and I got all you guys. Arigato, like how Niranjan would say, arigato to each one of y'all. Yes. So I think, yeah, this is your bookmark. Okay. You can go ahead, create as many as you guys want. Now, the next thing is flaunting it. Definitely keeping a bookmark like this in your book might be nice to y'all. But when people see, they normally see the one that hangs out of the book, right? So let's create that together, okay? First, I'll tell you all the ribbon technique. All of you would have got a ribbon, right? These are the printed ribbons that I have here with me. I'll just show you all the full set. See, this is how the ribbons come to me. So I have a small size, a medium size, and a big size. And they're all color coordinated. So this is a color thing that is more of teal, browns, and pinks. Okay, likewise, I have this, which is more of a pink family. Again, the same thin ones, medium ones, and big ones. Again, it's the hot pink, teal, black, yellow. These are the colors. And this is the final set that I have for y'all, which is a purple green family. Okay. So now see how I choose my ribbons, or rather how I chose for y'all is I saw your bookmark. Okay. For Sanshari, if I'm not wrong, I think for her white and yellow, I gave her the yellow with white polka dot ribbon. Correct, Sanshari? Yeah, that one. Yes, that's for that. Okay. So each of y'all will have something related to your bookmark color. Yeah, perfect. Yes, you can take that, Sabrina. Yes. Correct. Yeah. So for mine, I think I would probably use the teal. Yeah. So maybe I can also use this one. Yeah, because this has all, it has the orange, it has the teal. It also has my yellow there. So I'll just cut it. Just give me a second. All your ribbons are already pre-cut, but mine isn't. So I would have to cut it. Just give me a second. Yeah. What you'll have to do is fold your bookmark like this. Fold the ribbon like this. That is to say, both the printed sides are facing up like this. Okay, I'll tell you all later why I do this. Once you'll keep it like this, put it in this hole. The bookmark on top has a hole, right? Just put it through the hole. Pull it out like this. Take this loop and insert the two ribbons into the loop like this and then pull it out. So when you all do it, the way I tell you all to do, you all will have both the printed sides facing you like this. Okay, pull it as tight as possible. These are high super quality ribbons. So you all can never tear it at any point in time. So you all can just pull it as tight as possible. Yeah. So let me know if you guys are done. Yeah. Super. Yes, Sanshari. Yeah. Sorry, Archana, are you asking me something?
No, my husband just came back home. He was asking a question, so I was just replying.
Okay, my bad. I'm sorry. Yeah. Yeah.
No, no, it's all right.
So. Okay, guys, moving forward. Yes. Jyoti, Sabrina, all okay?
Yeah. Can you show me once again the ribbon part?
Yeah, please. Yes. Okay. Now why, okay, before I should repeat, I'll just tell you all why I kept both facing me. The print facing me is because when I want the bookmark to face me, right? Meaning to say, if I had kept like this and if I had put it in, one will have the print and one will not have the print. So that is why I flipped it and I kept like this. Okay. So I'm repeating the process again. Take the ribbon, fold it exactly into two, okay? But make sure the print faces you. So which means you're going to fold it like this. Okay, Jyoti?
Yeah.
So once you fold it like this, take your bookmark and put it into the hole like this. Hold this loop with your fingers. Put it inside the loop and pull it out.
Yeah. Done.
Yeah?
Of course, yeah.
So the beauty of this is at the back, you can only have this. Okay, but in front, you have the full print seen like this. Now, the next step is if you all are going to leave your ribbons like this, what happens? It keeps coming out like this. Can you all see what's happening to mine? So for that, what you all should do is You'll have, see, mine is arrows, right? So I'm going to cut it like this, like a V cut. Okay, Sanshari, for you, you can try a diagonal cut because yours is diagonal stripes. So you can cut it like this. Sorry, yours is polka dots. Sorry for that. Yeah, so you can cut it like this also. This is another way of cutting the ribbons diagonally or doing a V cut. So V cut is you'll go fold the ribbon and go like this. At an angle, you'll cut it. So when I cut it at an angle, you'll have a V cut ribbon, like a V at the top of the ribbon. So this is bookmark 1. Okay, so we are done with the ribbon bookmark. Now there is another way of putting the ribbon. Okay, usually what people do, those who don't like this, they will normally put it the way I told you guys, or rather they will just do this. They'll put in 1. Okay, pull out the other like this and put a staple here. Okay, they'll just staple this and they'll give a shorter ribbon. Okay, that is another way. The third way of putting your ribbon is putting a knot. Obviously, the usual, the knot wala thing. I don't like the knot. I don't like the staple thing. I thought this is way cuter than this. Yeah, because the knots are not going to listen to you. They are not going to flip the ribbons the way you want, but this will. Okay, so I don't like the knot. I personally don't like the staple pins also because when kids handle it, you don't know if the staples are loose or if they poke themselves, prick themselves. So yeah, I like this. Okay, that's why I thought I will teach you all this style of putting the ribbons. Now, the next one, you guys, I will teach you all how to do the charm. Okay, y'all can take it as a homework and do the bookmark at home. Yeah, correct? Because just the sticking part. No, the most fun part is the sticking part. So I'll teach you all how to do the charm. Okay. I think for Sabrina, I've given you Sabrina. Jodi has got Jodi. Ashwini, I think I got it for your daughter, right? I don't remember her name. But yeah, I got it for your daughter.
You sent it as Anki.
Anki, correct. Ankita. So yeah, that's why it's Anki. And for Sanshari, I think I gave you Sun. I don't know. I don't know what I really gave her. But yes, guys. So y'all please take out your names, the beads with your names, arrange it in the order of your name.
By seeing this, I really wanted to do it now, but I don't know where my daughter have kept it. We have
Yeah.
hide, I think.
Don't worry. You can
Because
definitely
I
try
will,
it. Then,
yeah, I will try.
yeah, you,
Once we come back.
Ashwini, you can
Yes.
actually do one thing, with your daughter, you join the class on Friday.
Sure,
And you can start, you can do alongside with her.
sure. I'll
Okay?
do that. Yes.
Yeah, great.
Thank
Okay,
you.
guys. So once you're ready, the other item I want you all to pull out from your kit is the threads. I've given you all the wool kind of a thread, right? That'll be the small piece there. Yeah, you guys can take that out. And there'll be jump rings as well. You all know what are jump rings? I'm ready to show. Just give me a second. These are the jump rings. Okay, all of y'all would have got one for each. So take out one jump ring as well. And the leather tassel. Yeah. Okay. So my bad. I'm sorry, guys. I ran out of all my leather tassels by giving away to you guys. So I have these with me for now. So a tassel is a tassel. So I'll just show you all how to do it. So firstly, take your thread, and again the same way like how we all fold it for the ribbons, right? The same thing you're going to do it here. Fold your ribbons. I'm sorry. Fold your threads into exactly half like this. Take out your beads. For now, I'm just doing some random thing, okay? Because I hadn't really planned what to do because I have it all here. So yeah, and start beading in the thread. Or okay, even better still, just give me a second, guys. What you'll do after you'll fold the thread, right? Put a knot on the folded end so that you have an entire looped string. Like it doesn't have any breaks. It's just a perfect circle is what I want. Double time, or you knot it double time because the holes in the beads are very big. If you're going to give a single knot, what happens? The beads will slip off, which you don't want, right? So this is how you'll have to put a knot. So the final product of the thread will look like this. Okay, can you guys see it? Yeah, are you guys able to do it? This is the knot. Like I've knotted it twice, huh? I put like double knots
Yeah, so
on the
Meenakshi,
same. Yeah,
yeah, the knot has to
tell
be
me.
put on the open end or the folded side. The folded
No,
side.
the open end. The open end, you need to put a knot, and
Okay.
on top of the same knot, put another knot, like double knot it for
Okay.
the thickness of the knot, so that your bead doesn't slip off.
All right.
So, yeah. Once you all are done with it, can I continue, guys? Yeah. Okay. Now hold the folded end in your fingers like this and start putting in your name. For example, Sabrina, yours will be S-A-B, right? So you start with S-A-B like that. You know, you just put in your name beads, one bead at a time. Jyoti, for you, it's going to be J-Y-O-T-I. So just bead it in like that. Okay. Make sure your beads don't fall off with the knot. If they are falling off, you'll have to re-knot it. Yeah. Or I think my thing is falling off. Likewise, are your beads also falling off, or is it staying in place, guys? Staying in place? Okay, then. Perfect. It's staying in place, then you guys do it. Once you all are finished with your names, let me know.
Yeah, I had to put 4 knots here to actually.
Just make sure your string is not too small, no, Jyoti?
Yeah,
If
but
it doesn't happen,
hmm.
I'll teach you another way. If it's not happening, look here, Jyoti, I'll teach you another way. What you do is you put it off into the bookmark and then you bead in your names. Can we do that?
Yeah, I've already put the knot. So let's see.
Yeah, okay.
Cannot
Because the
increase
string
knot.
should not be small. I
Yeah.
think your palm size string should be just fine. Anything smaller than that, then we'll have a problem.
Let's see. So should I put my first letter name towards the knot? Or
Yes, that's how it has to be. Like this. It
Okay.
has to be towards the knot. So it'll be JYOTI.
all right.
So it will be towards the knot. My knot is here. Yeah, so towards the knot will be the first letter.
Okay. Yeah, done.
So when it hangs from your book, it hangs like this. So basically, people have the tendency to read from down to up, right? For all those who feel, okay, the beat thingy is not happening, I'm just showing you all a quick thing here. You can actually put it in, like how we did for the ribbon, right? Put the thread in, hold the knotted end, put it into the loop, pull out the thread like exactly the way we did the ribbon, and do this.
I finished it and I put a tiny ghungru, cherry blossom ghungru.
Super. Yeah, okay.
I don't know if you can,
You can't
once
really see
again.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know if you can hear it.
No, only half your bookmark is seen, Archana. I think you need to move this side. Yes. Okay. Yeah, I
Can you
see
see
that.
it?
Yes. Lovely. Great. Okay. Superb, Archana. Yeah. So now what you guys have to do after that, take your jump ring and open it. There'll be a small opening in the ring. Okay. You just have to spread it. It's easily done with your fingers itself. Just open it like this. Once you'll do that, put in your tassel. Okay. And then put in your string with your name. You guys have done your names, right? Jodi, Sabrina, Sanshari, all of y'all. So take that and put it in the ring like this. And then you'll close the ring. How do you close it? You'll just press it together. Press it as hard as you can because this should not fall off the ring. So here I take the help of my scissors and I kind of double check it, so that it doesn't drop off. It's tight. That's the whole purpose. Like the locking system should be good. Yeah. Once you are done, this is how your tassel will look. I mean, your charm will look with your names, obviously.
So I've put the name. Can I put the tassel and the thing here itself?
You have to put it near your knot, actually. The tassel and the jump ring
The
which should go
jumping.
near your knot like this.
Oh,
Why? Yes. Why do I prefer it near the knot is it doesn't stay on your bookmark. It's with the dags. That's the thing, no? It just hangs there. So
Mm.
people will not notice that you've actually used the knot there. So that's the reason why you guys have to pull it to the knot side. Sanshari, thank you. Thank you. See, it's almost 40 minutes and they're still live. It's all because of you. Thank you, guys, for the link. Seriously, you know what? People, Sanshari, she herself approached me asking, is 40 minutes sufficient enough? Will you be able to finish or shall I share you my link access? It's very rare to find such nice people. You know, everyone will be like, no, you do your own shit. You do your own crap. We're not bothered. But here she sweetly asked me, and I also asked her, please, can you? And she readily sent in the invitation. So, yeah, very sweet of her, actually. Hey, guys, once you all are ready with this, it's the same thing. You just take your bookmark, put it in, pull it out. Like, see, for you all will be having your names, right? So, you all can only pull it to a certain extent, because the beads are not going to let you all pull it further, correct? So what you'll have to do, pull it as much as possible, take your tassel, put it into this loop here, and just pull in with all your beads, take out all your beads, how many ever beads you'll have there, take it all out with the loop in this finger and pull it tight like this. So your names will be here. Okay, this is where your names will come, and then you'll have the tassel. It's the same ribbon technique. Superb, Sabrina. I see that. Yes, lovely. Okay, now, Sabrina, just in case if you feel your string is too long, you can cut it to the height you want and redo the process. You have to cut it at the knotted end. Okay, you have to cut it at the knotted end, re-knot it and redo it. That's all. It's as simple as that. You can have a long one, you can have a short one. You can only have like 3 letters or 4 letters, like say LOVE, love, hope. You know, I just thought, okay, I'll just give you all your names because I wasn't sure what else to give you guys. So, yes.
Yeah, done. You can see.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Great.
This is so nice.
Finally, yes, Jyoti. Today we finished it, Jyoti. I'm sure your son will be like, what is this,
I finished-
ma? And all that. But yes, I'm so happy you
Yeah. I
created
finished
it by
both.
yourself.
Yeah.
What
I
really
did
matters.
both of them.
Oh, you finished picking the sticker also.
Yeah. I
Lovely,
did that.
great. Yes. So
Yeah.
happy to have you guys.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. I finally have bookmarks.
Yes. And yeah, I have to thank each one of y'all also for being such energetic sport out here and helping me with my first ever workshop. I did do demos when I was with Soul Grow. She helped me with a lot of demo sessions and, you know, introductions where I had to introduce myself and all. But I've never really done a live class like this. Seriously, I had my heart beating in my ears when I actually started the class. I was so tensed. Then I just remembered Archana and Jyoti when we had the orientation. Both these people are like, you know what, Meenakshi, relax. It's not the end of the world. We are all human beings. So just chill. So the minute I saw Jyoti there, I was like, oh, okay, now I had to, you know, remember to breathe. It's going to be a rocking class. So thank you guys for all your support. I loved you all. I hope I did justice to whatever little I could. Yeah, it would be really nice if you guys can click pictures of your creation and post it on my page, and do send in some, you know, love to my page because I'm just growing. My company is Blissful Hands. My Insta page is Blissful Hands _gifting. I will definitely share it onto our group. Please do follow, like, share, comment. Mine is a small baby, still learning to crawl. So yeah, do support it, guys. Thank you. I really love your smile, Jyoti. You know, the more I look at you, it's so like, you know, toxic. It's like making me smile, not talk. So yeah, guys. Sanchari, I see you have also created both.
Indeed, Jyoti has a very infectious smile.
Yeah,
thank
yes.
you. Thank you
And
so much.
Sabrina, I think first time I'm seeing you, Sabrina. So you are also full on smiles and yes, more
Thank
power
you.
to you guys.
Yeah, we
Sunshine,
exchange
Sabrina is
energy
also-
from each other,
Meenakshi, I can't tell you how amazing this is feeling like. I want to wear it like a necklace or earrings. They are so cute, so beautiful. Thank you so much for doing this, Meenakshi. I feel like me and my friends have made friendship bracelets for each other and so much fun. You have to do more events like this at least twice a month. You should. I'm excited to know what is the next event and how to do this. It's really good. I think you can see from all our smiles. It did not look like it was your first time at all. I had expected you'll be
okay.
very nervous. That's why I came to join. I had another meeting, but I'll join. But perfect. Can we all take a group picture, guys? Can you all show your bookmarks? This is so beautiful bookmarks we have. Can we all have? Let's take a picture together.
I think I like this.
So
yeah.
beautiful. Jyoti, hold it ऐसे ताकि I can
Yeah,
see
yeah. I'm just trying to remove my
virtual backgrounds.
virtual background so that yeah.
Yeah,
It's
I like
so good.
Sansharis, but yeah.
Yeah, even I'll remove.
Sabrina, you also, hold it closer. I can't believe, that Meenakshi, you gave us all customized kits. Like they have our names, ribbons, and all. Who does this?
Yeah.
Incredible. So now all of us have to take a story of this and post and share it and tag her because she's taken so much time off and so many repeated requests to change the time. All of this, she's doing it twice also. It's incredible. Thank you so much, Meenakshi. We'll all post a review for you on your page. We'll leave a
Please
story.
do. Yes, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you,
I
Meenakshi.
hope you like the teddy bear. Oh, do you like the teddy bear,
I love
Sanshari?
everything. I love everything.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah,
because Sanshari
yeah,
only
I
showed
like this
the
little
Oh,
caterpillar.
yeah, you like that. Okay. Those are small goodies given out of my love. It has nothing to do with bookmark. Even Sanshari asked me because I gave her a Lion King, Simba. So she asked, is that part of the bookmark by any chance? Did you send it? I said, yeah, I sent it. It's not part of the bookmark. It's just a small token of my love to each of y'all. I'm sorry, Archana, you didn't get one because you
Oh.
had to get your own kit. Yes.
No, don't
Definitely when you
worry
come
about
down to
that at
India,
all.
I will definitely. Sorry?
I said, don't worry about that at all because it's just part of being together, which is important. Rest, everything is just part and parcel.
What can we
Yeah,
learn
so
next, Meenakshi? Big question. What are you teaching us next? After this, what is going to be the next one?
I have the do-it-yourself tumblers. Those are glass porcelain tumblers with straws. Those are again Borosil. Sorry, they are Borosil tumblers with Borosil straws, which is more like a wraparound technique that I would be teaching y'all. If you guys are interested, do let me know. It's a tumbler class. It's not like a tumbler. Those are those sippy cups with the straw. Okay, if y'all can just give me a second, I don't mind getting my sample.
Also,
Just to
Meenakshi, I
show y'all,
wanted
yeah?
to learn
Just a second.
quilling and
Yeah.
sopresso. I wanted to learn the quilling thing and sopresso also. Very excited to have workshops on those. It's called sopresso only,
Yeah,
no?
okay.
Plastic flowers.
Yes. Yeah, Sopresso, yes. The Sopresso was what I taught for one of your
Yeah,
students. She came home and we did a
Prasun, I think, did.
one-on-one class as well.
Prasun. Yeah.
Yeah, yes,
Next, we
correct.
can
Prasun,
do
yeah.
that. Yeah, this
Okay,
has
just
to
give
be
me a
a
second. Yeah, I'll just get you all the tumbler that I'm looking at, so you guys can actually have a look at what I'm talking about. Yeah, just give me a second. Can you all see? This is the one.
Ah,
This, yeah, I got my name customized, and this is the tumbler. It has a sunflower, Sanshari. When I was doing this, I got reminded of you. So this is more like a garden theme. This is the Borosil straw that I was telling you guys about. So all these items break. They are Borosil, that's glass, so it breaks. This is the Borosil cup. with the wooden lid. Just a second.
But
So
I think
this
this
is the
will be a
wooden.
similar technique that we did today, right?
Yes, it's more of a similar technique, but it's more like a
Mm.
wraparound. I'll be giving you all
Yeah.
sheets where you'll actually wrap it around the
Yeah.
entire thing. And
Mm.
I'll also teach you all how to do this cutie there. I think you all can see him. He's a little froggy who keeps spinning around. Nonsense. You know, he just loves to spin. So I will be teaching you all how to create this guy on top. And yeah, he keeps spinning around. And this is, see, basically what I'm doing right now is do it yourself kind of product that I normally do for workshops, like say at birthday parties for kids. So all of these are more like hands-on activities for kids. You know, kids even at the age of 3, 4, they can actually sit down quietly for 10 minutes, and I can make them create these beautiful bookmarks together. So my target is that. So you guys, those who have got 6 from me, can actually make your kids create, and they'll definitely enjoy it. Trust me. So yeah. Sanchari, I'll definitely let you know when I do my next Sospeso art. The issue is getting those sheets is a little problematic because I'm not getting the right, material. I don't want to buy something that's just there at the market. I want to buy real good quality stuff. So yeah, that's the thing. Okay, but I'll definitely teach you Sospeso. That's there on my list.
Next time you do a quilling, you let me know because I do quilling, so we can do together.
Yeah, great. Yes, I will definitely let you know. Okay, guys. So thank you once again.
It's
Yeah, it was
us
a lovely
thanking you. It was a wonderful session and you did an amazing job, really.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Archana. Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you, Sabrina. Thank you,
Thank
Sanchari.
you.
And
Thank
I
you for
have
your
a
time.
secret person there. Sorry, guys. Yeah, I forgot completely. There's a person there with us called Irene. I think she's like turned off her video. She's one of the crafters here in Chennai with me. She's more of a co-crafter, I should say. Someone who wanted to see my sessions because I told her it's going to be my first session. So yeah, I don't think she's there. Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, hi.
Hi,
Hi,
Irene.
everyone. Hi.
Yeah.
Hi,
So
Sabrina,
that's so she's
Jyoti,
the one.
Sanchari, and Archana. I was enjoying this session.
It was a
Yeah.
beautiful
So,
session.
hi, Meenakshi. Thank you so much. I was enjoying, but right. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. And
It was so
yeah,
nice, but
I'm so
right now
sorry
I'm not
for
able to do.
the.
I love to interact.
Okay, that's quite all right, Irene. Yeah, and I'm so sorry, guys, for postponing your classes because I had 2 last joinees come in at the last moment, so I had to delay the process. So yeah,
It's
thank
okay.
you anyway. Yes.
Thank you so much, Meenakshi.
Thank you.
Really,
Thank
really,
you.
really enjoyed this. And I'll
Yeah.
do my
Yes.
homework and complete the rest and share a story.
Yeah, please do. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Take care,
much,
guys.
Meenakshi. It was
Yeah.
a wonderful session.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Bye,
Bye.
guys.
Have a good
Bye.
time. Bye-bye. Bye, everyone.
Nakshi, I